What is up? So, I just got home from work and we got ourselves a box. And we also got another box. I got my lug nuts and valve stems for my wheels. Wheels didn't show up today. I'm a little confused on why, but my lug nuts came, so that's good. But this is a really big box. And this is my V2 front splitter. And I should have my window banner in here as well. So let's finish opening this box. Alright. Oof. Ooh. We got ourselves a big boy. But I did not get my Alright, so my window banner isn't in here. So I have to contact Aeroflow Dynamics to see where that is. But I did get 2 Aeroflow Dynamics stickers, and I got the hardware. This is actually a pretty decent size. This is gonna look sick. It looks like a very easy install. They're just nuts and bolts. But yeah, I think I'm gonna email. I can't get it. You know what? Whatever. So I'm gonna email Aeroflow Dynamics to see where my window banner is, because I would really like to put that on and start my sponsorship. But yeah, so I'm just really confused. Like, where's my wheels? Like, what? I just want my wheels too. Like, they're not outside. They're not in the garage. I'm more excited about my wheels than I am about my front splitter, even though the splitter looks dope as hell. But my wheels, like the wheels, the wheels. But probably gonna install the front splitter. Oh my goodness, the side view. Like, look how big that is. That's pretty good. Look, my cactus. Look at that little cactus. Anyways, distractions. So yeah, I'm gonna message them, Aeroflow, to see where my banner is. So, and then I'm gonna shower, and then I'm gonna pull my car in the garage and put the splitter on, because I am super stoked. Boy, I am stoked about this. So yeah. All right, update. I feel so stupid right now. So I lifted up the splitter and, well, long story short, I got my banner. It's all good, and I should have looked even more for some reason. I don't know. I guess I didn't see this thing. Come on. Wow. It's a Tuesday. It's whatever. But so yeah, right when I unboxed it, I immediately messaged them, and then I went back over there to take it out of the plastic, and then it was like right under the splitter. So yeah, I got my window banner. So now I'm happy. Now I'm pretty happy. All right, I'm pretty happy. All right, now let's go and put this stuff on. I'm happy. I'm super stoked. All right, so I jacked up the car, and it looks like a very easy installation. I mean, there's a couple holes here and then just a few over here. They look like, let's get on the ground here. They look like they line up to these clips where your skid plate goes, but I don't have one. I don't know where it went, but oh well. Anyway, gonna put this on. But I'm so happy because I got the V2 side skirts, V2 canards, and now I have the V2 front splitter. And I'm going to be getting the V2 rear diffuser. And I would just like to say that the rear diffuser is so aggressive and it looks so good. It will bring the whole car together. So yeah, but I was originally gonna go with the OEM front lip and then put the V2 front splitter on, but I think I'm just gonna rock this for now and then order the front lip later. I do like the aggressive look with the OEM front lip with the front splitters on. They just look even more aggressive. So, but yeah, let's get this on, and yeah, let's see how it looks at the end. Alright, change of plan. We're gonna have to take the front bumper off. I tried lining up the holes to where those, the, whatever it's called, I can't think of the name, brain fart. Wherever those holes line up, they don't. So we're gonna have to drill new holes in the bumper. And then, so that requires to take the bumper off. And because there's not really much room to work with back here because between the intercooler and the bumper. So we're gonna just take the bumper off. It'll be a lot easier and probably save a little bit of time. But, you know, it's getting sad that I know it takes like maybe 5 minutes just to take this front bumper off now because I've done it like 3 times now and it's just like in the back of my head. So let's take the front bumper off and let's drill some holes and get it put on and yada yada yada. Alright, so sorry I didn't show much of the installation. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. I took off my front bumper and I set it down on the front splitter and then I pretty much lined it up. It's like 2 1/4 on each side of on the rear part. Right back here it's like 2 1/4. And then the lip sticking out in the front is like 3 inches. So then once you get that all lined up, I put clamps on it. I used 3 of them. I did one right here, the same on the other side, and then one in the middle. And then I flipped it where the face was up. And then I started from the middle and worked my way out for drilling holes. It turned out so good. It's a very easy installation. It only took me 20 minutes. And then I got really excited just to put it back on. So I put it back on and it looks great. It really, really looks great. I actually love it a lot. It just literally flows so well. But yet, and then I also put on my sponsorship banner. Would you look at that? That is just so good. So good. And now I'm just waiting for my V2 rear diffuser from Aeroflow Dynamics. This looks so good. It brings the car together. Alright, so now I'm literally just going to be waiting for my wheels. So keep you guys informed. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe and leave a comments to help me improve my videos. Thank you.